So now we're gonna check out USD card. Wanna check out USD card. This 4 hours time frame and wanna find out what's happened here and what are we expecting in this new week. So first thing first, I will try to identify this zone here. But this has been a strong zone. Here we had strong resistance before this breakout and this retest here, forming a support. And this has been tested one, two, three, four. And mind you that the more a zone or a level is tested, the stronger the level. This worked as a resistance or served as a resistance in one test, second test, third test, and fourth before the breakout. So now, after the breakout, it turns out to be a strong support. Turns out to be a strong support. So having identified this zone of key support, we try to take in this trend, take in this trend that the market has been forming up. So when you take in this trend, you now find out that what we have here is a descending triangle. So your ability to identify a trend is also a very important skill in the market because you can't trend what you do not understand. So we have a descending triangle here. And by the time you have a descending triangle, if a descending triangle breaks downwards, if a descending triangle breaks downwards, then you should be expecting a retest and a continuation. But if it breaks upwards, you'd also expect it to go retest and continue. So whenever I see a market like this, I'm always happy because I see that it's a clear position for me. Because you're not the only person looking at this key zone. Every other trader, thousands of traders are seeing it. And due to the fact that thousands of traders are looking at it, the zone or the formation will hold because you're not the only person seeing it. So there will be a huge entry or huge market placement forming another block around this retest as it's coming to retest, making this very, very breakout and retest to really hold. So now there's been a breakout upwards and this is coming to retest. This is coming to retest. This is a zone and this is a major retest level. So we are expecting a very good buy position here. If this market bounce up from its retest, we are looking at to go long on this USD card. Bring it down to 30 minutes. Or the four. So looking at the 30 minutes time frame, you you can see that there is a key zone here. So now the market is open. So what I'm looking at now is to see what happens between the Asian or during the Asian section will determine if this market is consolidating at this zone or it is actually breaking down to come and test here. But I expect the market to come through here and then bounce off. Because I also work with this 200 MA This 200 MA, sometimes I use as support level, sometimes I use as resistance level, and for the times that I've used it, market always obey it, either in the 30 minutes time frame, lower time frame, or higher time frame. So, and this market, this 200 MA is just at the level of this retest, which we also work as the support level. It's gonna be a strong support level. So during the Asian time, I'll watch at the Asian time to see what this market does. If this market really break down here, then come to test here. I will know that as I enter market in the London session, as the London session approaches, I'm looking out for a very good long position. At least we should be able to hold our long, we'll be able to hold our long to take our profit at a good level. If you go for long on this market, having my stop loss here, I should be able to take my profit at this key. If you don't want to be greedy, depending on the time frame you're playing, this is okay. For having a for having a three target, I can take my first target here, second target, third target. I'm okay for the day, and I'll be done for the trade for the day. So depending on the lot size you are playing, that is it. So as the markets open, we are looking for a long position on USD card. That is it for card.